300SL was how Mercedes returned to sports car racing for the first time since the 1930s. The 300SL, or W198 to give it its codename, took second place at the 1952 Mille Miglia and the top two positions overall at that year's 24 Hours of Le Mans.
Now, Mercedes had not intended to build a road-going version of its SL race car, but in the 1950s America was booming and Americans wanted to spend big money on exotic cars. So at the 1954 New York Auto Show, Mercedes relented and it introduced this, the 300SL Gullwing. It would cost $11,000 and it would hit 146 miles an hour. And although this is a road car, well, you can still feel the racing pedigree through it. It is noisy, it's raucous, it has got some engine. What a sensational motor car. It gets hot in here. People who drive them a lot say they do get really warm. It's that kind of thing. It's quite uncompromising, really, but it's very sophisticated. Old cars do tend to get, as things wear, they tend to get a little bit of slack around the straight ahead, but as you turn, it just sort of takes up weight and feel. The gearbox is really, really good, much better than some British gearboxes of similar age. And this car was from an age when racing really did improve road cars. Race cars really improved road cars. And this is from an age when I just think you could drive this at speed for hour after hour after hour.